Today in front of me POCO M6 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. To log out from Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your Google account, click to more and remove account, confirm your action and tap to OK. Now use one from your protect methods if you use them, and we could see that we just successfully got from the Google account. So then let's go back to the Gmail and we could see that we just successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.